Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be a high glam makeup tutorial. So if you guys are looking for something high glam but easy to do, this is definitely the makeup tutorial for you. So we're going to start off with the usual. We always moisturize. We're going to put that concealer on our lids. Then we're going to pat it down with a beauty blender. Then you're going to go in with a neutral but warm eyeshadow color. Then when you're done doing that, make sure you blend it out really well. You're going to take a shimmer shade, a very neutral shimmer shade, and you're going to put that on your lid. Then you're going to go in with my usual that I always do, pumping a little black into that corner. You want to really use a precise brush for this, something even smaller than the one that I'm using. And then you're going to take a fluffy brush with more of that first color that you used, that was more of that warm transitional color, and you're just going to blend out that black that you put in. Then we're going to do the usual, some tinted moisturizer in place of foundation. This one's a little bit closer to my natural skin color. Then I'm going to do some concealer under the eyes, pat it down with a beauty blender, put on some RMCA setting powder, which I always do. Then I'm going to keep that on while I do the bronzer in a C shape on my head. I'm going to then remove all of the setting powder and I'm going to put some blush on the apples of my cheek. I'm going to brush through my brows. You guys know I have powder brows. If you don't know, you guys can follow my journey on YouTube. There's an entire my whole experience with powder brows that I got done, and that means that I don't have to do them anymore, which is fantastic. I'm going to do some liner on the shape of my actual eye, and then I'm just going to wing it out and connect it. Also going to curl my lashes, put on some mascara, and then after that I'm going to put on my lipstick because I thought I was done with this, but then I was like, nope, we're not there yet. And so I popped on some fake lashes. That is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just, you know, that bold red lip and that natural eye. So I hope you guys like this, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye.